では皆さん, in the previous video, we introduced the particle o, which we can use to talk about what we do the action to. So for example, if I eat sushi, I say like sushi o tabemasu. In this video, I want to talk about another particle that we are going to use, the particle ni. We use the particle ni with a specific type of verbs that show movement. So in this chapter, we introduce 3 verbs that show movement: ikimasu, kimasu, and kaerimasu. Ikimasu, to go, kimasu, to come, and kaerimasu, to return home. Using the particle ni, we can make sentences like 学校に行きます。学校に行きます。What do you think the particle ni? So 学校 is the school. 行きます is to go. What do you think the particle ni is being used for here? That's right. Particle ni shows us the destination where we are going. It shows us the place we're going to. So I go to school. 学校に行きます. This ni goes with movement verbs. So 行きます, 来ます, 帰ります. The place where we're going, the place we're coming to, the place we're returning to. We use ni to mark it. Let's try some examples. You can take a minute if you need it to look over the list of verbs and the list of the places that we covered both in this chapter and in chapter 2. Okay, so how might we say I go to the bank? 銀行に行きます。銀行に行きます。How might we say I come to school? 学校に来ます。学校に来ます。And how might we say I return home? 家に帰ります。家に帰ります。So I pair together the place I'm going, the ni, and then the verb at the end. We also have another similar particle. This is another one of our weird spellings. It's written with the hiragana he, but it's pronounced e, just e. We can use this particle instead of the ni if we want to talk about going to a place. So, for example, we can say 学校に来ます or 学校へ来ます. Both are exactly the same. They're both okay. We can say 図書館に行きます。図書館へ行きます. Both are the same. 家に帰ります。家へ帰ります. Both work the same. We use this, we say to show the direction of travel. Basically, this is the same as the ni that we use to show where we are going to. So it shows where we're going to, where we're coming to, where we're returning home to. This e is a little bit more formal than ni. You might be more likely to find this in writing than you are in speech. But in terms of how we use them, they are used pretty much the same way. So we make our sentence like Smiley-san wa someplace ni or someplace e, and then ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu.